Is bevoorreg, ons is hier voor die SA Cup semifinaal, Vrydag aand 6:00 in Nelspruit, die Toyota Cheetahs teen die Pumas. Die tafel is oop vir vrae.
Ons, we spoke at length on Friday night about what this win meant for the guys and for consideration. What has the energy been like these last couple of days in preparation for a semi-final?
No, the guys, they've been positive. It's just getting them ready. It's a short turnaround for us, especially with the traveling as well. So, yeah, we need to get them fresh before Friday.
And of course, you played earlier in the season, less than half a game, red lightning game. And at that stage, I still feel that you guys are starting to get the front foot in that game. You guys are really starting to look good. Does this game almost feel like it's a matter of unsettled or unfinished business as you head up to Nelspruit?
Yeah, Mogsy, I think there's different feelings because I can promise you, if you ask Niels, he'll tell you that he might feel that we would have won. Tian as well, Ruan maybe. I felt they were more physical than us on the day. And I think we need to be better than that day. We made some silly mistakes there, so I don't think it's unfinished business. It's a new game, and playing in Nelspruit is going to be tough. So we need to be 100% there and switched on.
We've seen the past two seasons because on the first or the SA Cup, it was one of the last two that were winning champions, of course. But there's also an opportunity for you guys to into the silverware and start something.
Yeah, I think for me it's just we need to be better every week, and hopefully we can do that again this week. I don't think we worry too much about the end result and playing in a final and winning a final. I think we need to be better than last week and improve on last week's performance, and they get that consistency in our performances.
Nielsen, we had a quick little chat last week about your record since you've taken over the captaincy, and I'm sure it's the last thing on your mind at the moment. But you did mention that Greek was your first real big test. This is your second one. It's going to be a totally different test. It's near conditions. It's probably 10 to 1 to be a slightly hostile crowd. So how much are you looking forward to this first one?
No, I'm really looking forward to it. Like you mentioned now, Morgan, it's another tough match, and one of my tougher matches as captain. But luckily, I have a group of guys, senior guys around me that helps me a lot. And I think as long as everyone's on the same page, as players and as coaches, and that makes my life easier as captain. And my responsibility is to lead from the front with my actions and to handle the rest. That's that. The rest of responsibility of responsibilities is of the whole team's responsibility. So look, I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a good game, I think. Yeah.
You mentioned now leading through actions, and that loose forward battle is probably one of the key battles in the game. The Griquas have got exceptional loose forwards. Unfortunately for Gustav happened. But this time around, it's Villing or Brathwaite's, Revolt, and those kind of guys. So a lot more physical and in your face. So totally different challenge.
Definitely, I do agree with you. They do have good loose forwards, just like Griquas did and does have. That's definitely a talking point or something we have discussed as Lucy's. We want to be the dominant Lucy's on the field, and if you look at the weekend, I felt personally we as Lucy's, Cheetahs Lucy's, we were good. So if we do our job as loose forwards, and I mean, look, those three guys you mentioned now, all loose forwards of them, they also stand out players of them. So if we can be better than them, that makes the job for the rest of our guys easier as well.
Niels, jy het nou bykomende motivering gehad moet wen en na die Currie Cup. Gaan dit moeilik wees om ons nou weer daai soort van selfe aanloop te kry na daai wedstryd?
Ja, kyk kom ek dink dat die uitdaging vir ons die week is om op baie selfe mentaliteit te wees en fokus te wees vir die wedstryd teen die Pumas, maar en natuurlik om vars te wees. Maar ek meen ons weet wat van ons verwag word en wat op die spel is. Ek het vir die ouens voor gesê vanmiddag, ons het 3 jaar laas 'n beker gewen hierso by die Unie en ek wil 'n beker wen. En ek dink ons almal voel dieselfde hierso. Maar ja, dit is definitief, ek dink vir ons as 'n span die grootste uitdaging is om weer op baie vlak te kom. Psigies en alles, fisies alles, om weer te gaan.
Heel wortel van 'n beker kan dit.
Ja, seker ja.
Ons Revan Kreer, hom het gedog. Mense het hom afgeskryf, mense het hom gekritiseer, daar's 'n ou wat geskryf het dat stadig dat agter die skerm moet sonder posisie. Want as hulle Revan het gedog, wat gaan aan? Hoe speel hy?
Ja, ek dink hy het maar kyk, hy het groot geword onder Roan. Nee, so ek dink hy het baie omgegee wat Roan van hom dink en ek dink nog steeds. Maar ek dink op die oomblik speel hy maar net rugby en laat sy spel die praatwerk doen. Hy's anders as Smiley, hy's anders as Marco. Hy is verstaan ons, dan klomp verskillende skramhalfs nou. Hy fit nie in een ou fit nie in 'n ander ou se mal nie. So hy doen goed vir ons op die oomblik en hopelik sal hy die naweek weer so vertoning kan gee. Nee, ek weet nie. Dit het niks met my te doen. As die ouens Joel, is hy altyd plek vir hulle.
Sorry, you just mentioned he's just joining this game now. How important is it for you as a coach to have the player the mindset of just go out there, join for the game, and not worry about external?
Yeah, look, Marks, on the weekend it worked for us with all the outside pressure and stuff. It worked for us. So I don't know. It's easy to say no, just go and enjoy the game, but to get to that spot where the guys have belief to do that, hopefully the past weekend gave them that belief and they can go and enjoy playing and enjoy really putting out excellent performances. I think that's where Griquas is at the moment. They enjoy putting 50 on teams, and you need to watch out. Even Jimmy, you need to watch out for the Pumas as well. They like doing it. So hopefully we get to that stage.
Any questions from Zoom? Jan?
Jammer, sorry, maar ek was vaak in 'n ander perskonferensie. So ek het nou nie baie gehoor wat julle vroeër gesê het. Ek gaan miskien 'n paar vrae herhaal. Frans, if I can start with you. Obviously, with the pressure of having to qualify for the Currie Cup now off the bat, can it treat us, or this team, finally begin to play to their true potential?
I don't know. We need to see if we can match that level of physicality and how can I say? We need to match this week with what we did last week as well, and I think that's a challenge for us to getting to that same mindset and getting up for the game again.
From a player's perspective, what is the view for this week? I mean, is it possible in 2 weeks can you lift that high 2 weeks in a row?
I hope so. I hope we're on the right path. I hope we sort our stuff out. Hopefully we can do that. That's our plan. And hopefully hopelik slaan ons hom raak.
When I heard a bit of what you said at the end, that he's got always a trick or two up his sleeve. But what do you expect from the Pumas? Without giving tactics away, but what do you expect from the Pumas this week?
Look, they're always a physical side, and we need. I think the first thing it starts there. Gain line. If they're going to dominate the gain line, then we will be in trouble all day. So it starts with a physical aspect, and from there on, we need to be up for it. Dankie baie.
Johan?
Ons nou vir altyd kaptein of net vir die net.
Ek weet nie hoekom maak almal so groot ding van 'n kaptein. Ek het al met hulle ook daaroor gepraat. Vir my is dit 'n groep mense wat almal mekaar moet uithelp en ek dink ek het dit gesien 2019 en ek het vir die eerste keer gesien met Sia en Dwayne en almal wat ingekoop het in die plan in. So vir my een ou kan nie met die kaptein, met die ref praat en calls maak en dit raak net te veel vir een ou en iewerster val die pap op die grond. So, op die oomblik, ek dink hy het 'n baie sagte manier met die refs en die refs ken hom nog nie so goed. Ek dink die ander ouens het al baie van die refs verskree half in 'n mate, so ons gaan hierdie nuwe way en ons kyk of dit vir ons werk.
Just one aspect of the game that I actually want to mention as well. I thought last week the discipline had been looking better than what it had for most of the series. So that's going to be a very key factor this week. One takes into consideration the boot that Monarch has on.
Definitely. I think if you look at our record, the matches we win or we had won is when we had good discipline. And even against Ricos on Friday evening, we put ourselves under pressure with those. It's 2 moments in the game, but they were yellow cards. So it's big penalties and it's big moments in the game. But when our discipline is good, obviously we're more likely to win than not. So that's a big thing for us as a team, and we discuss it, and like I said, it's a big thing in our team. We discuss it every week. It's a focus point for us.
Right, everyone, thank you. Travel time.
Dankie.